All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect honey garlic wings. These are definitely top 5, period. They're so delicious, easy to make, and juicy. But first, let's get into this commercial. Alright, so to these wings that are washed and cleaned, I'm going to add my That's Hot jerk marinade. Of course, if you don't got this in your house, I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, make sure you cop that, and the links will be below. You want to add some oil to the chicken wings first because my marinade has no oil, no gluten, no nothing. So usually when I use the jerk, I add a little oil just to activate it, just to get things nice and crispy when it's time for it to cook. And this is how it looks, nice and amazing on the wing. And so now you just want to allow it to marinate, and then I'm going to pop them into my air fryer. You can bake it, fry it, however you choose to do, but I'm using the air fryer on a high temp. So now let's make the sauce. I'm going to add butter and garlic and some honey. And this is just basically like a glaze. It's more so like a glaze versus a really saucy sauce, if you get what I'm saying. So you want to add your honey down in here. And I'm actually going to heat this whole thing up on the stove for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until it's nice and bubbly and very fragrant. And I also added a drop of salt and some sesame seeds just for some razzle dazzle. And this is what it looks like after about 4 minutes. I didn't let it cook for too long. So I let the sauce rest on the countertop for about 5 minutes, and this is how it looked. And I can't wait to pour it all over the wings. Speaking of the wings, y'all, look how golden and crispy these wings look. Like, I can't. Am I the only one that's been obsessive with the air fryer lately? I love the air fryer. It's very fast and efficient. All right, so now I'm going to add my wings to this bowl because we're about to sauce them up. I can definitely eat them just like this. The jerk is just amazing on everything. And I hope you guys, the people that did order, I sold so many of them and y'all ain't been sending me no pictures. What's going on? I need some pictures. Now you're going to pour your sauce all over your wings. Look how amazing this looks. This is definitely a showstopper. Everyone's going to love these wings. They're very delicious. They have a slight kick. And they're very fast to make. I got done with this in like 30 minutes. So I think you guys should really, really try this one. You already know I had to give y'all a close-up. Look how golden. Like, I can't even get over the fact of how beautiful they looked when they got out of the air fryer. That's what really got me. They look so good when they got out the air fryer. So I'm going to plate everything up and let you guys see what I did with them. And look at this plate. Ooh, watch the honey drip off the chicken, period. I'm telling y'all, these are the best wings, top 5. So I just served it up with some wontons and, a dipping sauce. But you could put this with potatoes, chicken, fries, onion rings, vegetables, whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Just gonna get me a wonton, dippity dip, dip, dip. Oh my God, look at those wings. But these wontons are actually good too. This wing was so hot, I was burning my finger just so I could get this shot for you guys. But y'all, look how juicy. I'm telling you, my mouth is watering. Y'all need to make this recipe, especially if you order my jerk. My next shipping day is actually this Friday. So everyone that ordered this week, you'll be getting your orders pretty soon. But look how juicy and perfect this chicken wing is, y'all. Make sure y'all make it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.